And welcome back to another video of Power Apps. So in this video we are going to create visitor gate entry. That's mean check in and check out of the visitor. So here this is the application. If you will see here, you can search the visitor. Suppose I'm going to search Rishi. So Rishi is checked in at 20th of February at 17 and 55. So these all are the visitors that has been checked in but not checked out. If I'll go on the dashboard, I can see these all are the users that has been checked in or checked out, like all the users. You can search the user from here. If you want to provide filter, that's also possible. You can provide the filter on this gallery. So how to provide the filters on the gallery, that I already discussed in my previous video. If you didn't watch my previous video, then before proceeding, watch first. So here you will see Sumit has checked in and checked out as well. But Rishi is checked in but yet to check out, not checked out. Okay. So here if I want to create a new user, suppose I'm going to create Sarita. Purpose of visitor, guest for 2 days, and she is going to be in Tower C. And what is the flat number? So I created this application on very specific for a society, like if any sector, any township you are staying, and if you want to use this application, then this application will work as it is. But if you are looking for any kind of change, like if you don't have any kind of flat, any kind of tower, as per your requirement, you can change in a SharePoint list and you can add the columns here. And then visitor photo. So if I click over here, I can see lots of photo. I can see in the gallery. But whenever you will move over the you know uh, over the mobile application, then you will find out, whenever you will click over here, you will find out the two options. Either you can choose photo from the gallery, or you can choose to click on live. Okay, you can just click that button and your camera will be open. Just click on the save button, and whenever I will save, you can see the data has been entered just right away, and the check-in time is, it's taking the default current time of my system. This is the user, this is the mobile number, and this is the image. And whenever I'll go on the dashboard, I can see Sarita just check in and yet to check out. Now if I'll go, you can see this user Amit. Amit has checked in at 16:53 but not checked out. Let me go on checkout screen, and I'll go here and mark as a checkout. Then you will see the Amit removed or moved from this screen to dashboard. It means Amit has check in and check out both. You can see here Amit just check out. If not check out the user, then you will see yet to check out. Okay. So this complete application we are going to discuss in this video. I hope you love it. Just stay tuned and stay connected. All right. So here I'm using the SharePoint list, and in SharePoint list, if I'll see my schema, here all are the columns. So this is like a tips or trick. Using that you can create your visitor check-in checkout application. If you want to customize, then obviously your doors is open to customize everything. Like here is a visitor name, visitor mobile, purpose of visit, check-in date, checkout date. So check-in date I'm doing the default current date of a system, and checkout date I'm using whenever a checkout button is going to be hit, I'm capturing the current date and time. And this is flat number, and this is tower, this is choice field, and visitor photo is a thumbnail. All right, now let's move on the application. All right, so this is our blank application, and in this application we are going to create the visitor entry and exit. Okay, so I will create a component here. I will rename it comp menu. So this menu we have already created in my previous video. So if you didn't watch my previous video, then before proceeding, watch first. For now, for make this forward, I'm just going to put a collection over here, so you can see clear collect, and then dashboard, visitor list, visitor form, and yet to check out. These three screens we having over here. Now in the component, what I will do, I will go in insert and gallery. Okay, this gallery I will bind, and here it's saying this is not recognized. So then you'll have to access app scope, you'll have to do on. Now I will go here, I will remove this. I'll go here, you can remove this. Then you can remove this image, not no, okay, fine. I'll have to do with, for this component actually, app dot design width and then height equals to 100. Okay, then for the gallery I will go and I'll make change parent dot width and then height will be parent dot height and y will be 0, x will be 0. All right, then in a component, a gallery. All right, so here's the call navigation. Okay, so before that, what I will do, I will go in a template size. This template size I will do. So what I will do now, I will go and then the screen, let me run on start, and then I will go on the component and in the gallery. So basically this I need to take, so this I need to take a icon actually here. Let me take a icon. Yeah, okay, so go on the icon, this item dot option icon. Okay, then this is subtitle, so I'll make it down, make it little bit up. Okay, and this will be this item dot option text. Okay, I'll make it in a center, and this the position I will do parent dot template width divide by 2 minus self dot width. Now it will be in the center, divide by 2. Now it will be in the center. Okay, so this is fine, this is done. Now in a gallery and advance, on select, navigate, this item dot open option screen. All right, so this I will visitor list. I'll go here and add comp menu. Okay, I'll make it little bit zoom and then hit to checkout, and here also let me add this menu. Comp menu. All right, so here what I will do, I will go now and I will add a vertical gallery, and in this vertical gallery I will go here and I will add a SharePoint list. SharePoint tips YNL, and this is visitor details. This is the list. Let me choose the data source as a visitor list. Okay, so let me make it little bit small. Okay, now I'll just make a copy and paste. This will be mobile number. Okay, then I'll make one more change. Go in the gallery. There is subtitle. This is title. Title is blank. Let me remove this and I'll make copy and paste over here. Okay, then one more. Then here I'll go for check-in date, and here I'll go for checkout date. Okay, so checkout date is empty. For that, what I will do, I will go here, I'll apply a condition if is blank, and this is, if this is blank, if this is blank, then here to checkout, else all right. So here we go. Okay, gallery is ready. What I need to do for this radius, I will go here, and here you can see the radius, size, padding, border and border radius. I'll make it 100, and yeah, this is still not, make it in a fill. All right, so this is showing as a in a circle. Okay, so this I'll make little bit down. Okay, so let me just run this app. What's showing this? This is a dashboard. So visitor all count. Okay, let's make similar to that. I'll go here and add rectangle. Okay, on this rectangle I will make a text label, and this I'll make on a center, and here I'll make all visitors, then count rows and dial 2. All item count. Okay, so this I'll make in a white. Okay, looks good, looks good. Text input, take a text input, and then make it a icon over here. Let me add a icon. Okay, and this will be search. Where is the search? So this is search, and here you can mention search visitors. Guys, please ignore spelling mistake. I'm doing a hurry bay. So this is almost done. Let me make it up, and I'll go over here. Here I'll apply a filter on visitor list. Then start with start with visitor name, comma, text input one dot text. Okay, and then I'll make it a close. Now here we go. Okay, whenever you want to search anything, suppose Sumit, you can search Sumit. All right, so this screen is ready. Now let me go on the another screen. So I'll go on a visitor form. On a visitor form, I'll add a form, edit form. Okay, let's connect with data. Oh, not this. Okay, it will take some time. Great. Choose a fields, remove title, visitor name, visitor mobile, purpose of visit, check-in date we can remove because that's we are taking by default as a today's date. Flat number is fine, tower is fine, and we are not adding the picture. Let me add picture. What is that name? Visitor photo actually, not picture. Okay, so that's added in a last. Okay, so this is fine. Checkout date. Oh, let me remove this checkout date as well, because here we are not going to check out. Okay, so this is the form, and let me add again rectangle. So I love this rectangle actually for the header. It's your call if you want to take something else. All right, so here let's go, and okay, there are three buttons. First I'll add icon, and this will be back. Okay, and then there is visitor entry. This is text box, so let me add one text box. Text label actually, not box. I do mistakes, sorry guys. Visitor entry, and this I'll make in a center. Okay, and then make it a color as a white. So white will be visible. It's your call if you want to take anything else. Then I'll make two icon actually. One is for, you know, check, like update, and one is for edit. All right, so here are two buttons. Now on the visible, what I will do, frm form1 dot mode. If form mode equals to mode form mode dot view, only in that case I want to show this button. Form1 dot mode is not equals to view. Form mode dot view dot view. Okay, so this is done, and this is our form. Let me do one more thing. Here I'll go. Okay, on this visitor I need to add one icon over here. Let me add this icon. So this icon I'll make it a white. On this I'll go navigate. First I'll go reset form 1, then navigate visitor form. Okay, so whenever I will click, I will go on visitor form, but the default way of this form, I'll make this is as a new. Then I will click over here, I will go and I'll click over here. Here we go, this is our form, and on the back screen I will go and navigate visitor list. Alright, if I'll click over here, I can go on the visitor list. Alright, so now one more thing, I'll go on the visitor form. Here I'll go on the submit, on select. Oh, this should be on visible. And on select, submit form and form 1. Okay, this will be submit and navigate to visitor list. All right, so this is done, and let me do on the edit icon as a check-in. So on select, edit form 1. Okay, so this is done. Then let's move on this yet to checkout. Okay, on the yet to checkout, again I will add a vertical gallery, and this I will connect with the visitor details. Similarly, I will make copy and paste. Let me just make it. This is name, and I will remove this title. This is mobile. Oh, mobile. This is name. Name I'll make it bit small, bit larger. Then again this will be date and time for checkout and check-in. This will be for checkout. Oh, so here we are going to put a button, and this will be check-in date. Check-in date. Check-in date, I'll make it a bit zoom, and here will be our button. This button, and this button I'll make as a checkout. Let me see, is this matching with our screen? Okay, go on a checkout. Here we go, we are doing same. Okay, the only thing I'll need to make this color as a like this, and this font I'll make bit small. This font will be 15, and I'll make it little bit small. Okay, now on the select I will apply a patch function, patch visitor list comma this item, and this will be checkout date now. All right, this is done. After this checkout, this item will be moved. Okay, and now again we have to apply a search. So let me go over here and add a text, not text, text input. Let me make this. So first I'll add a rectangle. Okay, this rectangle I'll make this text. Okay, I'll go on insert text label. Okay, this is, so this is not this. Let me make it not at checkout, and gal 3 dot all item counts. So here we go, and let me make it white and then make it in a center. All right, now this is our text input. I'll make it a little bit small, and here I'll make a search box icon, and this will be a search icon. So make it a search, and in a text input, search visitors, and here the same thing. I'll do whatever I have done over here. Filter, and this list I'm trying to filter, and start with visitor name, comma, text input 2 dot text. So here we go. This is done. This is ready. Okay, I'll make it little bit down. So if I'll click on this checkout, this dashboard, this checkout, it's working as expected. Okay, here you can add entry. Suppose I'm going to add Nitesh Khanna, visitor mobile and purpose XYZ. Flat number I can do 101 tower ABC. Then here I will do some random image. Click on this checkbox. So here we go. Nitish Khanna is added. The picture is not coming. Let me. Oh, so one more thing we'll have to do. On this gallery, on select, navigate visitor form. Okay, and on this form here I go in the item, and the item, this is gallery 2. Okay, so in the item I'll go and gallery 2 dot selected. Okay, so now whenever I'll go back, I'll click on this Nitesh Khanna. The edit should be here. Let me check the edit. What I apply for visible. If form mode equals to view. Yes, that's the reason that's not coming. And whenever I'll click on this, it should be in a visible mode. Let me do that. Gallery 2 on select and view form 1. Okay, now go back on the home and here we go. If I'll click it, Nisha, or I'll make it correct. Here you can see the user is updated. Okay, for Nitesh Khanna, let me do another picture. Yeah, now picture is added. Might be there is some network issue. And then go here. We just added Nitesh Khanna. I want to check out to Nitesh Khanna. You can see check-in time and let me check out it. Checked out or not checked out? Not checked out. I think let me check that Nitesh Khanna. Yeah, it's checked out. It's checked out, but it's showing here. Let me make a filter over here. Okay, filter, and basically this will be checkout date equals to blank. Only then I want to see the item if they are checked out. If they are not checked out, let me do this Sarita. Sarita is checked out, and now Sarita is removed from the list. And here you can see Sarita is checked out. Okay, let me make it a zoom. Our application is ready. So here you can see these all the user are checked out. Rishi is not checked out. Rishi. So we will go in a checked out and we'll see Rishi is not checked out. Let me checked out and Rishi is checked out now. And I'll go here. I can see Rishi is just checked out. Okay. Now if you want to do any new ad, you can do from here as a new ad. Go back. Then you can go in a checkout. You can check out. And then from here you can search all the user. Sunil. Okay, if you want to search on the basis of date or mobile number, then you can apply other filters as well over here. So the filter and everything I discussed in my last videos. If you didn't watch, then you can go and watch the videos. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.